Hey guys, I'm going to have you call your congressman, your senator, or call everybody, but let's get something done here. Now they've already passed 7 amnesties since 1986, okay? That was supposed to be a blanket. They've passed 7 people, 7. So, all right, they want to pass another amnesty bill, okay? Let's get something out of it for the American people. Back in 1996, these idiots who go by case law and don't go by the Constitution passed this this thing called misdemeanor crime of domestic violence. Now, I got a buddy who worked night shift, came home, beer cans all over his front yard, goes in the house, his wife is dressed like a slut. He goes into the bedroom to change his clothes, his bed's sticky, and he confronts his wife. She slapped him, he pushed her down on the couch, she called the cops, he went to jail, got out, and he got custody of all of his kids. But he thought all this was behind him. It's not behind him. They passed this law, and it said, according to this thing, where do I find it? Okay, down here. It prohibits anybody, protective order. Well, there was no protective order for him. Okay, let me get back here. Where is this? Oh, okay, right there. They're saying that if you have something with your loved one that demonstrates that he or she possesses an unacceptable risk and should be prohibited from possessing firearms. Unacceptable risk. That's like every bill that these Democrats come out with. Now, we've got a whole lot of stuff. The unacceptable risk is giving amnesty to another 800,000 illegal aliens that are here and have to support them for the next 30 years. This put a doggone thing into this, that this domestic violence bill, anything before 1996, what they have here is prohibited applies to persons convicted of such misdemeanors, which was nothing back then, at any time, even if the conviction occurred prior to the new law's effective date, September 30th, 1996. Okay, people, anything that conflicts with the Constitution, any law, is null and void. You cannot pass a law after the fact. If you look in the Constitution, Article 1, Section 9, no bill of attainder or ex post facto law shall be passed. Ex post facto law is a law that passed after the occurrence of a fact or a commission of an act, which retrospectively changes the legal consequences. That is what's going on here, though. These Democrats passed this stuff. Let's get something in this amnesty bill that also helps out Americans. This is a unconstitutional act. It's just more burden on law-abiding Americans, and it's time we get things changed. I want you to call your congressman, your senator, I don't care who. Write down the number in the link. I think it's like 1-202-224-3121, and that will get you in touch with the receptionist there. Thanks for listening, and let's see if we can get this done. I mean, people, seven times they pass that. They give an amnesty. Let the American people get something out of this. Let's have all this stuff before 1996 forgiven for the American people. I mean, they're pardoning all these millions and millions of people coming into the United States. Let's pardon some Americans. Thanks for listening.